Are you tired of spending your summers slaving away, manually vacuuming and scrubbing your pool? Well, say goodbye to those days thanks to the latest and greatest robotic pool cleaners on the market. Today we have the incredible SMOROBOT Valor P10. This premium model pulls out all the stops with its cutting-edge features and raw cleaning power. With a monstrous 8,000 GPH of suction, the Valor P10's tornado system inhales dirt, debris and gunk like a savage. Its Trident Vision radar navigation maps your entire pool for complete coverage, while the beastly V-Power tech lets it scale walls and climb steps without breaking a sweat. This smart cleaner offers 5 different cleaning modes to handle any situation, from full pool cycles to customized programs tailored to your needs. The 180-minute runtime and interchangeable battery give it crazy endurance too. Just fire up the app to take full control of your cleaning routine. But the best part, the Valor P10 absolutely dominates when it comes to cleaning performance. This beast leaves pools looking immaculately clean with virtually zero effort required on your part. SMOROBOT has engineered a true pool cleaning champion. So, whether you're a pool pro or just dipping your toes into the world of pool maintenance, the SMOROBOT Valor P10 is the ultimate sidekick you need for a hassle-free, sparkling clean pool.